In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your PS5 is randomly shutting off by itself. So, the most common cause is actual damage to the power cable. So, if your cable's damaged, you'll have to purchase a new one. And if it's not, ensure it's firmly plugged into your PS5 as well as the power outlet. What you could also try is plugging it into a different power outlet because that could be the issue. Now, if that's not the problem either, another common reason is that your PS5 is overheating, in which case you want to ensure it's in a well ventilated area and you could try cleaning it out. Now, if none of those fix the issue, go to settings on your PS5, and then we're going to go to system first and go to HDMI and turn off enable HDMI device link. Sometimes this doesn't work as intended, or maybe there's issues with your TV, and that can cause your PS5 to shut off as well. So, what you want to do next is scroll down and go to power saving, and we're going to go to set time until PS5 enters rest mode. Now, I recommend you turn these times up rather than have them at lower settings, because this can cause your PS5 to turn off quite quickly and enter into rest mode. Now, let's go back, and the next thing you want to do is go to System Software and go to System Software Update and Settings, and ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software. If after all these steps your PS5 is still randomly shutting off, it may be in need for repair. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.